What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do a tailgate talk about what your first gun should be. Now, this is just my opinion. This video is geared more towards someone who's never owned a firearm before and maybe shot 1 or 2 times with their uncle, their dad, whoever. So this is just kind of my little tailgate talk about what firearms I think you should go with if you're a first-time shooter. Now, there's a couple of reasons why I went with these guns. It might be budget. All of these are definitely budget friendly. You know, just skill level, what you could do with it, because you don't want to be going out with a bazooka on your first time, so that might be dangerous. So let's take a look and see what we have here. This is my first rifle right here, and I think everyone should start with a rifle like this. Always double check, make sure it's empty, and we can move on. So this was my very first rifle. It's a Marlin 22. So these are 22 rounds, very cheap. That's why I think your first firearm should be a 22. Real inexpensive. Yeah, this was my first rifle. I was 16, 18 when I first got it. Taught me a lot about shooting, taking care of a rifle, cleaning scopes, general marksmanship, safety, safety, safety. This should be the thing you should learn on. It is just a 10-round magazine. If you know where to get Marlin 22 magazines, let me know down in the comments because I want something bigger than a 10-rounder. But with a 10-rounder, you can still have a lot of fun. Just a little more loading time. And yeah, these little 22s are pretty fun. Go. This rifle is fully semi-automatic. Don't shoot your eye out. If you want to go with something a little less scary, you could go more for the cowboy gun. This actually holds more than the other gun, but this thing right here, this is fun to shoot. You know, you get to move the lever. I think if you're gonna get into guns and you're looking at the first gun to get, I think this would be a good option. Teaches you how to use iron sights really well. It is in the 22 caliber again. I just think that's a good learning cartridge, less recoil. You could get a lot of them for cheap. I mean, I have a box of 500, bought it for like less than 100 bucks. Yeah, this is one of my favorite guns. You could shoot this all day long. Barrel doesn't get hot, it holds 16. This is just one of my favorite rifles. Now, if you're a new shooter, this will be super fun. You could be a cowboy, Wyatt Earp, whatever. You could just go out, have fun, be a cowboy, and just plink away. Cowboy shit, baby. Last and certainly least is our least expensive option. This was about $100. This is a 22 again. It's a single action, 150 bucks. You could go out and go shooting and have a fun new hobby. You could learn a lot about marksmanship and shooting with something like this. The biggest reason why this made the list for first-time firearm owners, you could do this. Ow. So this gun is only a single action, which means you have to cock the hammer every time before you go. So this is how you shoot a little 22 like this. So what we learned today on this little tailgate talk was 22s are a lot of fun. They're inexpensive. The ammo's real cheap. So yeah, if I was new into guns, I'd for sure pick up a 22, get some ammo, get some targets. You could come out to a place like this, just out in the woods. If you're someone that needs more instruction, definitely go get some. Just go to a gun range. They have instructors, they'll help you. Just safety's number one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cowboy shit, baby.